And thus, this partnership with Seamless HR presents us an opportunity to assess where we are and see what we can do to make a difference. AI is here with us, technology is here with us. The question is, how are we going to use it to make a difference?
We cannot catch up with the rest of the world if we do not leverage technology. And I think that that's where we come in as your technology partners, at least when it comes to the optimization of your most important resource, which is your human resource. The work we try to do is to make sure that that specialization happens where you can focus on being the greatest manufacturers that you can be, and you can allow your partners to focus on supporting you with the greatest technologies that can help your manufacturing work and to manage your most robust resources.
We are working to expand your market. So if you manufacture in Kenya, you have access to the East African market. Duty-free, quota-free. So any product made in Kenya is a local product in Tanzania, in Burundi, in Rwanda, in DRC, in South Sudan, in Somalia. So basically, instead of looking at the 55 million Kenyans, we've given you nearly 400 million for you as a market for the ESC.
And talking about the state of the nation,